Kia ora and congratulations for partnering with the world's largest earthworm farmers, MyNoke. Today we are going to learn what is a MyNoke worm food bin, what can go into the bin, where does the waste actually go, and what is it turned into. By choosing to partner with us, you are helping to feed 3 billion of these little guys, who are our workers that chomp through your worm food bin waste. Whether you're a hospitality business, in an office environment, or residential, the same principles apply as to what we can feed the worms. Think of what we put into the bins as creating the most delicious, giant sandwich buffet to feed the worms. We begin with a stable ingredient, fibre, which obviously would start with bread, but it can also include a variety of other common waste items we have around the house or the office, such as paper napkins or paper towels, bathroom hand towels, sticker backings, office paper and shredded document paper, contaminated cardboard such as pizza boxes and general home compostable grade packaging. Now we get into the good stuff, being the filling. Any general food waste is fine, including meat, small bones and even citrus and onion peels. Our guys also love any leftover milk products, fats, oils and even the barista coffee grounds. Lastly, if your organisation has soft green waste such as lawn clippings and wood ash from your fireplace, you can throw it all in as well. So as you can see, our guys will eat through a lot more than you think. However, it is very important to note that they turn their noses up at anything plastic. This includes commercially compostable coffee cups, such as this. They cannot eat through this. It still holds plastic that the worms can't eat. Did you know that New Zealand sends 300 million disposable coffee cups to landfills every year, which cannot be recycled? The sad thing is New Zealand simply doesn't have the infrastructure to keep up with the recycling process needed for this volume. So unfortunately, most of it still ends up in the landfills. MyNoke has teamed up with No Trace Waste to find a worm-approved solution for our customers, like this, a fully compostable cup that can go straight into your worm food bin to feed the worms, lid and all. So now that we have the ingredients, it is off to the kitchen. The bins are checked and then taken out to one of our farms located throughout the country. It then gets dropped onto a mixing pad like this, where it meets other delicious ingredients and put into a giant kitchen whiz, as our Noki would say. After 20 minutes of mixing, the meal is ready to be laid out into beautiful rows on our farm. Don't worry about where the worms will come from. They will sniff out their next meal and travel many kilometres if it tickles their taste buds. After 6 to 9 months of chomping through the waste, reducing the volumes by up to 80%, our guys leave the last 20% as rich worm castings, which is ideal for soil enrichment. The castings get screened, packed and distributed to farmers, growers and home gardeners across New Zealand to enrich their soils. Seems like the perfect solution where everyone wins, right? Well, it is. Every piece of worm bin waste you separate and help us with really does make that difference, and you can be rest assured it is going to a sustainable end-of-life place. So thanks for feeding our 3 billion workers. This has been a worm-approved message from MyNoke.